Hidden deep inside the forests of Sakleshpur lies a waterfall that feels straight out of a dream, and reaching it an adventure on its own. In this video, we take you through the breathtaking Mookanmane Falls, a beautiful and scenic shooting spot with unreal valley views, and one of the bumpiest yet most thrilling off-road drives to the iconic Edakumari Railway Bridge. From misty mountains to rugged roads and hidden gems of the Western Ghats, this Sakleshpur road trip is packed with adventure, nature and unforgettable views. So buckle up because this journey is going to be absolutely epic.
The road gets greener, the air gets colder, and slowly the busy city life disappears behind us. Namaskara, I am Pramod.
And I am Soumya.
And we welcome to our channel Stories and Wheels. This is a road trip to misty paradise of Sakleshpur, one of the Karnataka's most beautiful hill getaway nestled in the heart of Western Ghats. This journey is all about hidden waterfalls, breathtaking railway trails, scenic mountain views, and peaceful stays surrounded by nature. This drive to Sakleshpur is a visual treat. Endless greenery, winding ghat roads, clouds floating over the hills, and those refreshing roadside chai breaks that makes every road trip memorable. As we get deeper into Malnad region, the weather becomes cooler and every turn feels more scenic than the last.
Our first destination in this road trip is the mesmerizing Mookanamane Falls. This is about 36 kilometers from Sakleshpur town and 19 kilometers from Bisle Ghat. Hidden amidst dense forests and coffee plantations, reaching this waterfall itself feels like a mini adventure. The sound of roaring water slowly grows louder as we walk through the greenery, and suddenly the beautiful waterfall reveals itself in all its glory. Crystal clear water cascading down the rocks, surrounded by thick forest and misty atmosphere, it truly feels untouched and magical. Whether you want to relax by the stream, soak your feet in the cold water, or simply enjoy the peaceful surroundings, this place gives the perfect Malnad vibes. While the pool can be used for a natural shower or swim when the water flow is moderate, extreme caution is advised during heavy monsoon rains when the currents become dangerously strong. There is no entry fee for this place and normally open 24 hours, but visitors are strongly advised to visit only between 8 am and 5 pm. Staying in this remote area after sunset is unsafe due to wildlife and lack of lighting. We spent a couple of hours here playing in the cool waters in a shallow area and left the place refreshed towards our next destination. Vehicles can reach up to a designated parking area when we reach this waterfall. From there, visitors must complete a short downhill walk or trek of about 300 to 500 meters over earthen roads and boulders to reach the water. We could drive down with our Thar 4x4 and experience the off-roading here.
After spending some refreshing moments at the waterfalls, the road winds through the beautiful village settings, coffee estates, and cardamom plantations as we now head towards yet another beautiful spot actually known as Shooting Spot. This is also called as the Hosahalli Gudda Shooting Spot. It's a stunning mountain peak located near Jedigedde village in Sakleshpur. It's earned its nickname as a shooting point due to a dramatic rolling landscape and uninterrupted 360-degree views of the Western Ghats, which makes it popular shooting spots for photography enthusiasts, pre-wedding shoots, and a regional film like Kannada movie Gajakesari is also shot in this place. This is located approximately 25 kilometers from Sakleshpur town and sits just 13 kilometers away from the Mookanmane Falls, making them perfect to combine into a single day trip. We parked our car at the base. It is an easy, highly rewarding 10 minutes trek about 500 meters to the summit. There are no restrooms or shop at the peak, so be sure to pack your own water and snacks from Hannibal or Sakleshpur town. This was one of those places where you simply pause and enjoy the Mother Nature.
As the day slowly comes to an end, we finally arrive at the beautiful Alora Homestay, our home amidst the hills for the night. This homestay is about 7 kilometers from the Hosahalli Gudda shooting point, 5 kilometers from Mookanamane Falls, and about 35 kilometers from Sakleshpur. This homestay is in a remote village near Sakleshpur, but Google Maps led us to this place quite well. As it was quite dark when we reached this place, it was slightly difficult to locate the exact homestay, but we could figure out after asking around a bit. Surrounded by lush greenery and calm nature, this homestay perfectly captures the charm of Malnad hospitality. The peaceful ambience, cozy wooden interiors, delicious local food, and the soothing sounds of nature make it the perfect place to relax after a long adventurous day. Sitting here with a hot cup of coffee while clouds move across the hills is truly an experience in itself. There were 5 rooms in this homestay and we had booked 2 of them. We had a comfortable stay here with very hospitable hosts taking good care of our needs with hot coffee and good homemade food. We did find a lot of power cuts through the night and it was quite hot when the fans didn't work, which made it a little uncomfortable, but the overall stay was quite comfortable and good. The place was very green with lot of trees and plants around the homestay. It was quite close to the forest, making the stay feel adventurous. There was no Airtel network in this area, which cut us off completely from social media too. The next morning begins with mist-covered mountains, chirping birds, and the fresh aroma of coffee plantations all around us. We were advised by the host to visit the Edakumari Railway Bridge early in the morning 8 am to avoid the heat later on. We took their advice and headed towards one of the most iconic experiences in Sakleshpur, the Edakumari Railway Bridge Trail. There was a stretch of off-roading for about 4 kilometers to reach this place, and we experienced an amazing off-roading experience in our Thar ROXX. There were a couple of other families that were visiting this place at the same time, and a couple of guides with them who knew the timings of the train. We had about an hour before the train was due, and so explored this place completely. The Edakumari Railway Bridge is a historic British-era engineering marvel tucked away deep inside the dense mist-covered Western Ghats of Sakleshpur. This is about 7 kilometers from Alora Homestay, where we stayed, and 35 kilometers from Sakleshpur town. Suspended spectacularly 200 meters over a roaring jungle valley between tunnels 11 and 12, this iconic bridge is the crowning jewel of the legendary Green Route railway ride. This active 52-kilometer mountain rail corridor spans from Sakleshpur to Kukke Subrahmanya, weaving through 57 tunnels and over 109 bridges.
Tunnel which was built in 1972. The length of this tunnel is 572 meters. This is the tunnel number 11. There are close to about 54 tunnels in this route. We are on Bangalore to Mangalore railway line. This is also called the Western Ghats. Look at the scenic beauty of this place. Awesome. When the train comes, we should find this narrow boxes around and we should go there.
This route is famous for its railway tunnels, dense forests, and breathtaking valley views. Walking along the railway tracks surrounded by mountains on all sides feels absolutely surreal. The iconic railway bridge here offers some of the most cinematic views in the Western Ghats and is truly a paradise for photographers, trekkers, and travel lovers. Oh my god, it's so dark. The longest tunnel, very dark. We were not sure if we will get to see the train as we did not know the exact time of the train. But to our surprise, the train hit the track just before we left, and we could hear the sound of the train while it was many kilometers away on this track. We waited to get a close glimpse of the train on this beautiful track through the tunnels and the bridge, and finally said goodbye to the Bangalore goods train. The famous Vistadome train and passenger trains also grace this route, and I am sure a visit in the Vistadome would be a very pleasurable experience. After watching the railway track and few tunnels, there was a very beautiful waterfall as well. It was an amazing experience. The cherry on the cake was the train that came right after we saw the track and we explored the track completely. There was a train that came. It was an amazing experience. This is Sakleshpur at its rawest.
We took many pictures. It was a very good experience. It was like the train is coming in front of my eyes. It was very good.
After spending a couple of hours in the Edakumari Railway Bridge, we came back to the homestay for some hot breakfast. The hosts sent us off with some fresh fruits from their garden. The Alora Homestay was a very peaceful and stay for us away from the noise of city. We checked out from the homestay, and on the way back we visited another viewpoint called the Kaginahare viewpoint, which was quite close to the homestay, about 7 kilometers. We could get a view of the Edakumari Railway Bridge and the tunnel from this viewpoint.
This is our second video of this road trip that started from Bangalore, visiting South Adaka Ganapati Temple, Dharmasthala and Kukke Subrahmanya Temple before reaching Sakleshpur. We covered these temples in our first video titled 3 Powerful Destinations and 1 Divine Journey in this playlist named Karnataka Road Trip. Please find the link to our first video in the description below. This road trip gave us everything: adventure, peace, breathtaking landscape, and memories that will stay with us forever. If you love the nature, road trips, waterfalls, mountain views, and offbeat experience, Sakleshpur in Karnataka should definitely be in your travel bucket list. If you have stayed so far with us, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel StoriesNWheelz for more travel videos. Do comment and let us know which destination did you like the most in this video. Thanks for watching. Keep visiting our channel StoriesNWheelz.